that all the values will get combined together and go to the array. So we have to write the function now to take the value from the text box and pass to the name variable. How to write that? Go here. Go here. Okay. Write the function like pick name. Pick name equal to fat arrow function is the right. Come inside. And for this function, you have to create one object. How you wish to create under the functional component. This dot set state. This dot set state. Under that, you will write the full name colon obj dot target dot value. How that work, I will guide you now. Obj dot target dot value, you are going to keep alert also here. Obj dot target dot value. Obj dot target dot value. Now write one function. We will understand their flow and then we'll write some more next after that. Okay, hope ready. Go next. Come down below. We have a text box. In the text box, we need to call simple on change. On change, call the function on change, call the function name call this dot pick name. Just like a function you call here. This dot pick name. Now pick name function, once you start typing here, character by character will go here under the pick name and alert will also come. So let's write it, save that, and then come, we will see the, once we type how the value is getting manipulated. Okay, hope working. Once you type, if you type anything under the text box, alert will come automatically. See, I type A is coming. B will come. A, B both will come now. C, now A, B, C, all three will come. D, A, B, C, all three will come. Right? So you saw that. How on change the value is getting pop up. Now that value one by one, it will go to the full name variable. And from full name on click, you are sending to where? Server. So now remove this alert. So where you are calling this function, their value it will take and it will bring here. This obj what we created, you can consider it become as an object of that particular text box. This become object of the particular text box where on key press automatically, the value of text box will capture and give to the React. Now similar way, we have to write some more function, peak mobile and peak age. Two more function right here. Peak mobile. Here is the mobile number. Age, peak age. Peak age. Save now. Save now. Let us check. Now we will take the value of text box dynamically and then it will go to the backend. So three function we written here. This three function peak name already calling, peak mobile, peak age you have to call now. Call on change equal to this dot peak mobile. Peak mobile. On change this dot pick is also. Now you try whenever you pick the value, click on save button, it will go to the JSON server. Class component. we are able to pick the value. Ajit, 80 years. Save it. New user added. Let me look into the table. Ajit is coming or not? Yeah, 12th number user, Ajit is coming here. Right? So now user is able to add dynamically from the text box. We have to learn how to clear also. So let us see how to clear. So look there. After saving the data, you are doing here set state. Message variable you are clearing, right? Same time, message variable we have cleared. At the same time, we can clear other variable also. So here is the other variables. Full name, mobile and age you can copy. And here below, next after that, we can make this all values as empty so that the text box will also appear as empty. And you can write here this dot state dot full name plus state full name plus added successfully. Let's add this line. This is to make variable message meaningful as well as to clear the text box. Okay, hope ready. Now come down. We have to call this variable for the text box as a value so that the text box will get clear. So you can write here value equal to this dot state dot full name. Value equal to this dot state dot mobile number. Same way you can call for the third also. Value equal to this dot state dot age. Now you can check text box clear will also happen, as well as please check, let me know once. Text box should get clear and values will go to the JSON server. Okay, the default value is coming now. Just 99. Something we added. 99 years added. Go to the users. You can see here it's coming in the last. Now we need to see the delete functionality. How to delete the user from the array. Sequence working for how many people? Working for 3%, 4%. Okay, now we need to delete the record. We need to delete the record. So we will add here one delete option, and the click of that it will get deleted from the server. So come to the class2.js file. In class2.js file, you will add one more th called action. Okay, hope ready. Action is done. Now write a first function here. How to delete? URL remains same. This URL will be remain same. You will write here delete user, delete user equal to user ID. Delete user equal to user ID. Now write inside a URL user slash, you have to merge with this user ID. You can alert also and understand it how it's going to happen. User ID. Next, after that, come down. Axios dot delete. Axios dot delete will pass inside the URL dot then response. After that, we will call again this dot get user, reload the list after delete. Reload the list after delete. Reload the list after delete. Okay. Okay, so hope we wrote this. Now come down. On click, we have to call this delete user. We have to add one TD here. Button delete on click equal to this dot delete user dot bind this comma user of id. This comma user dot id. Hope data is deleting. I will delete the 7 number user. Not gone. Sequence. ID came, data got deleted. Right? So whichever the ID will come as alert, that particular record will get deleted easily from the JSON server. It is going from that JSON server. From the JSON server, it's get deleted automatically. Okay, so hope you done that. Okay, now one message should display on the top, which user you have deleted. So go here, dot ID you are sending, you have to send here user dot name also. Write here user dot name also. user name we are sending. Now come up here, you have to receive name as well while deleting name. Then we have to create one state. Okay, so first receive the name here. Before reloading the list, we have to display one message. Before reloading the list, we need to display one message to user. Ready? Let's go up. Create one message variable also. MSG colon empty. Now come down. Set a state we have to do. Before that, list is happening, user is getting reload. Now come inside. This dot set a state. MSG colon this dot state dot this dot not this dot state name plus deleted successfully. Name plus deleted successfully. Now come down. Here set a state you did, name plus deleted successfully. After this paragraph, one more paragraph. Align as a center. This dot state dot MSG. Property, not try once, delete any record and check it. Ajit deleted successfully. So this is happening through your class component. There you have follow the life cycle function as a constructor, render, component did mount, API, Axios, JSON server. Yeah. Next after that, we can create one more component where I can guide you one more topic that is called props using the class component. Props using the class component. Okay. Props using class component. Create component next. Call class. 3 is ready. 3 class 4.js and class 5.js. Two more component to create. Class 4.js and class 5.js. Okay, come first class 5.js. In class 5.js, write import react comma component from react. Write a class my class 5 extends component. Now under the constructor, you can call here call props. You can pass props here also. Props is not required to send to the superclass. Render return division class name my user. Come inside h3 Ganesh 35 years MCA So every time whenever you call this component, it will give you this one. Ganesh 35 years and something. Save this. Hook ready? Hook 5. This one, class 5 is completed. Come to the class 4. In class 4, let me show you the content of class 5. Import React as usual. My class 4. Props is not required here. Keep a division. H1. React.js class component props example. Import inside class my class 5. After that again inside the division call here my class 5 two times we can call. Now my class 4 you add under the routing and check once. My class 4 you have to add under the routing and check once how it is happening. Okay, added under the routing. Import my class 4 as a props. My class 4 I given the link here, college props. Path name is class 4. I will add here. Check now. My class 4 you need to call. Is saying here Ganesh 2 times. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the hook 4 page. In hook 4 page, you have to pass some property here. Name equal to Raj. What else you are printing? Name, age, and education. Name becomes a property. Age equal to 40, and edu equal to BCA. Similar way, for second component also you can pass Ajit 50 MCA. Call again. This becomes a component reusability. You have seen already in the functional component, but you need to go know under the class component also how it works. Rohit, 60 years, ESCA, Chartered Accountant. Written. Okay, hope you are it. So name is edu. Come to the hook 5. Print here this dot props dot name. Here you print this dot props dot age. Below you print this dot props dot edu. Save it now. Link for marriage. Okay, hope written. Check now. The value will display here different. Now for this, my user, you write a CSS. For my user, you write a CSS and display in one line 3 division. For my user, write a CSS and display in one line 3 division. 3 user. For my user, give width 30%. Float left. Hope anyone wrote the CSS. For my user, okay, for field set it was there already. 20% width was there. Here only you can write one more. Or maybe you can write a new. My user width 30%. Float left. Width 30%. Float left. Height let it be auto. Automatically 3 will come in one line. Apply margin also 1%. We are coming in one line. So we understood many things from the functional component. You got idea in class component how to call the API, saving the data, listing the data, deleting the data. Props, we got idea. Next we have one more topic from the class component, that is called form validation. Form validation in class using class component. After that, we have to move to the Redux part. So tomorrow we will cover the form validation, and from day after tomorrow we will go to the Redux. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock we will join as usual for the project class, and again in the afternoon, like this time only 4 to 5:30 nearly, you can join for the this one and a half hour will take for the form validation. We'll finish quickly. Then Redux will be from next day. Okay, and then whoever want to work more on the project part, apart from your project is going on, if you want to work more than that, you need to come to the info campus. Come here, sit here in the daytime. Okay, 1 hour to not for 1 hour and a half hour. If you have time, come here and sit for 3-4 hours. 11 people are already working on the project. So we will put you with them, you will work with them.